Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you size check for the EPS blood test tube tray mold before we deliver it to Russia, so you can better understand about size tolerance for the EPS mold we manufacture. It has 20 cavities in one mold with 2 sizes. The core size tolerance is 0.1 mm. The mold cavity tolerance is 2 mm. The up size from drawing is 12.9 mm. The real size is 12.93 mm. Size from drawing is 13.4. The real size is 13.49 mm. Size from drawing is 15.5 mm. Size from real is 15.55 mm. The bottom size from drawing is 16 mm. The size from real is 16.06 mm. Size from drawing is 172 mm. Size from the mold is 173 mm. Size from drawing is 162 mm. Size from the mold is 163 mm. Size from drawing is 193 mm. Size from the mold is 195 mm. Size from drawing is 106 mm. Size from real is 107 mm. That's pretty much everything for today. If you want to know more information about EPS mold from China, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We reply every single comment. See you next video.